Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to set up a fingerprint on MacBook Air 2025. So to set up fingerprint, you just need to go to settings, then go to Touch ID and password. You can see I already have a fingerprint, but I'm gonna quickly delete it. And now you just need to click on Add Fingerprint. Then place your finger on the Touch ID sensor, which is on the power button right here. It's actually, I think, the same sensor that was on iPhones, which had the home button. You just need to place it and lift it multiple times. Remember to move your finger between each scan so it scans the whole area of your finger. Then when it says keep going to capture the edges, start moving your finger even more, so it just works from different angles. And now as I click on done, you can see you can enable or disable the use of Touch ID to unlock the Mac, for Apple Pay, for purchases in iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Books, for autofilling passwords, and for fast user switching. So the fast user switching is basically if you have multiple users in your system, they all can have different Touch IDs set up, and if they just tap on the fingerprint sensor, it'll switch to that user. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.